Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Laju. I'm a wife, a mom, a vlogger, and I vlog about lifestyle, motherhood, faith, family, travel, everything basically. Yeah, this is a fun place to be, so welcome back. So today guys, we're making pancakes, and with my daughter. So I'm sure you're wondering what's with the look, but yeah, I woke up like this. So the thing is, the world is now a very visual community, and if people see it and you don't pop at them, they just pass by. But guys, this mama just woke up. This mama is tired. Her baby is hungry, and I just don't want to pass on this opportunity, because I realize that every time I want to make a video, and I'm like, oh, this is fun, we should make a video, and then I look at myself and I'm like, oh, I don't really look the part. But I just keep missing opportunities like that because I want to look all makeup-y and all, which is like, I think we're missing the point, you get. So it's really about the content. So I just thought, okay, let me just make a little effort. So I decided to represent the tribe and African mom tribe, and put on a scarf, and I tried to fill up the brows a bit, if you noticed that. But yeah, I woke up like this. Okay guys, let's get right to it. I need you to kneel down. Can you kneel down? Like this? With your knees. Down. Yeah, exactly. So you can see. Can you see now? Can you see? Okay, so.
What's that?
It's the baking soda. It's the baking powder, sorry.
Oh. That's milk powder. Milk powder, no TV. Is this a table? Yeah. This is very mommy. This all messy.
Is it how messy? We're trying to make pancakes.
Sugar. Algae. It's for eating.
Sorry. Put some milk.
I drink milk.
Yeah. Do you want to drink milk?
Pick a milk. I get empty. Milk. Yay! I like fried egg.
We're not frying eggs. We're making pancakes.
Pancakes, egg.
Yeah.
My egg is pancakes.
Yeah, there's egg in pancakes. Very good.
Egg, tea, milk.
Egg, milk. What else did we put inside? What's this?
Sugar.
Sugar. So we put some sugar, we put some egg, we put some baking powder.
Milk powder.
Baking powder. Okay. Okay. Do you want to help mommy mix it? Let me get the fire on. Help mommy mix it. Good girl.
I want some milk, mommy.
Do you want to drink it? To make the pancakes, I used shape cutters for the ones for biscuits. So the first thing to do is to line these shapes, because I made a mistake. The first batch I made, I didn't line the shapes and I ended up regretting it. So make sure you line it if you want to go ahead with this method. I'll show you the other method later on. So yeah, we have the pancakes frying, and yeah, this is the part where I started struggling. This was the first batch I made, and it was such a struggle to get the pancakes out of the shape cutters, the biscuits shapes, whatever they're called. So that's me struggling to get it off. But if you line it earlier, it's just so easy to flip it out. So sadly I got my heart broken while doing this. You'll see what I mean shortly. Come off already. Yeah, so that's out, and time for the star also. And there I go again, struggling. I eventually got that part out, and here is the part where I got my heart broken, guys. So you you see, there it is. No, it's not coming out. It was stuck, like tightly stuck. So I just gave up on that project, and yeah, there goes the heart, broken heart. I don't know why hearts always have to get broken, but yeah, flip some in my mouth, do the happy dance, and keep frying the pancakes. We lose some, we win some. That's life. So yeah. So we ended up with some very soft and fluffy pancakes. Yep, it was really nice and soft. So there it is. That method is this: you fry your pancake like normal pancakes, and then use the shape cutters to cut out the different shapes you want, which is faster actually, and I think it's less stressful. But you end up having a big chunk of pancake left for the mummies to eat. So yeah, so you can do either method, whichever works for you. So there it is, guys. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed today's video. So yeah, that's the final result. Thank you. Bye.